Hey, this is Randy at Mountain Air Farm. I'll be doing little shorts today because it's just me filming. Can't get my wife out here to work today. She at 1:07. But we're putting the French drain in behind this wall. We're just going to let it run out here, out to the end and cut. But it runs in behind the wall all the way down. And it comes out here and it drops down about 2 foot, 2.5 foot. What it is, we're having spring water come off the hill right there, get on the rock ledge and run in here. So we just put the French drain in here, put gravel on the bottom, put the drain in, then put gravel on top. And then it's going to dump out right where it needs to go into the culvert right down there. But we still got to dress it up. She just told me to do a video, so I'm doing a video.